Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a CCS personnel. To do this, you're going to click on your service menu and under the CCMS/CCS heading you will find your CCS personnel menu. You will only be able to create CCS personnel if you have the user role attribute super user. You're then going to click to add a new CCS personnel and you will need to create the entry based on the mandatory fields. If they are already a user in Kidsoft, you can select them from the drop-down box. The user will need their PRODA RA number, so if they haven't registered for PRODA, they will need to do this beforehand. Enter in their person ID and their date of birth. They will then need to select whether they are management or control. And if this is ticked, you would need to then complete the mandatory fields. If they're operational, and then you can select the service approval. So if there's more than one service, you can go and select multiple. Or if they're just simply a contact. And contact means, they may be just a representative to be able to talk to the CCS help desk. Once those applicable fields are completed, you will need to enter in and upload the Working with Children card check. And then you will need to upload the supporting documents. So selecting the particular document type once you've uploaded that. Scrolling down to the declaration, you will need to have all of these ticked before moving forward. Once the declaration has been completed, you can click Save and it will then display that CCS personnel record linking to CCS. If you require any further information on how to create CCS personnel, please do not hesitate to reach out to the Kidsoft Customer Success team. You may also like to look at our additional video tutorials in our YouTube channel for more tips on Kidsoft. Thank you.